So in this video we will discuss about AVL trees. AVL trees are height balanced trees of binary search trees. So previous video we discussed about drawbacks of binary search trees, how skewed binary trees are created, but with the help such type of binary search trees creates time complexity is big O of n, so we should bring the time complexity to big O of log n so that we can identify the given elements within the less time. AVL tree is also called as height balanced trees. These type of trees found by three people, one is Adelson, Welsi and Lendy, so that the tree name is AVL, and it maintains big O of log n search time by using balancing factor. How it maintains big O of log n search time? By using balance factor. Balance factor is equal to height of the left subtree minus height of the right subtree. Balancing factor is always either -1, 0 or 1. Then only we can say the tree is balanced. Then only it will give the search time is big O of log n base 2. Our main intention is to get search time is big O of log n base 2, not big O of log n. If the tree is big O of log n search time, then immediately balance the tree and bring into big O of log n base 2. Try to understand, students. So see, I will explain what is balancing factor, how do you find out it. See, this is the tree we have. This is the root node, and from this root node this total is called as left subtree, and this is right subtree. This is right subtree of this node. This total is called as right subtree. Okay. Now find out balancing factor of every node. Now I want to find out balancing factor of this particular node. So what is balancing factor? Height of left subtree minus height of right subtree. Is there any left and right subtrees for this node? No. So there is no left subtree, there is no right subtree. So 0 minus 0, balancing factor is 0. For this one, left subtree is 1. Height of the left subtree means levels. See, students, I will explain how do you find out height of the trees. See, now I want to find out height of this particular node. So for this node, this is left subtree, this is right subtree. Now how do you find out the height of the left subtree? Levels, 1 level, 2. So this is height is left subtree height is 2. Right subtree height is also 2. Why? Because levels, level 1 and level 2. So 1 plus 1, 2. So tell me, balancing factor of this node, height of the left subtree is 2 minus height of the right subtree is also 2. So which is 0, like that. Try to find out here. Now come to here. Height of the left subtree is 1. There is no right subtree. So 1 minus 0, 1. Now how do you find out balancing factor? Height of the left subtree is 2. Height of the right subtree is also 2. So 0. HL, height of the left subtree minus height of the right subtree. Now see here, height of the balancing factor of this node is what? Height of the left subtree minus height of the right subtree. Height of the left subtree is 1. Here no. So which means 1 minus 0, 1. Here 0, because there is no left and right subtree. 0 minus 0, 0. So now see here, this is balanced. This tree will give time complexity is log n base 2, big O of log n base 2 search time, which is better. But if you talk about these two trees are not balanced, because when we can say the tree is balanced, balancing factor should be in between -1 or 0 or 1. See, everything is 0, 1 only. If you talk about this type of trees, so see, for this node I want to find out balancing factor. Come to the left subtree height, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3. Right subtree is what? 1. 3 minus 1, 2. Okay. See, balancing factor is 2. Now, can you please tell me balancing factor of this node? There is no left subtree, 0, right is 2. So 0 minus 2 minus 2. Here 1, 0, 1. Here 0 because there is no left and right. For this one also 0. Is it a balanced tree? No, because balancing factor should be -1, 0, 1. Then only we can say the tree is balanced. If the tree is not balanced, then it gives worst time complexity is big O of n. Which is better, big O of n tree or big O of log n tree? Big O of log n tree. We can search any elements within the less time to compare with this tree. And come to here, balancing factors, find out 1, 1, 2, 3 levels. Find out height of the tree. How do you find out? Levels. Okay. So this is only 1. So left subtree is 1. Right subtree is 1, 2, 3. 1 minus 3 minus 2. How do you find out the balancing factor of this node? 0 and 0. So 0 minus 0, 0. Here left subtree is 1. Right subtree is 1, 2. 1 minus 2 minus 1. Here 0. This is minus 1 because 0 minus 1. This is 0. Is this a balanced trees? No, this is not at all a balanced trees because here we have a problem. -2. Even one of the node is other than -1, 0, 1. The total tree is not balanced. It is unbalanced. Now the question is how to balance these two unbalanced trees by using rotations. In the next video I will explain the rotations. Thank you.